Today, we're inviting joy and order into our gardening journey by organizing our seeds. Just like when we tidy our homes, creating a peaceful and organized space for our seeds sparks so much joy and sets us up for a successful and abundant gardening season. Imagine opening your seed box and feeling a sense of calm instead of overwhelm, knowing exactly where to find those precious sunflower seeds you've been saving. That's the magic we're creating today. So are you ready to transform your seed collection from chaos to calm? Let's begin. First, let's create a home for our seeds, a space where they can rest and await their time to sprout and grow. Seeds are the beginning of life in our gardens, and they deserve a special place where they can be kept safe and sound until the right moment arrives. Now, this doesn't have to be anything fancy. You don't need to spend a lot of money or time on this. The key is to find something that works for you and makes you feel good about your gardening journey. Do you have a box that sparks joy? Maybe it's an old wooden box that has been in your family for years, or a decorative box that you found at a flea market, or perhaps a photo organizer with compartments that feels just right. These organizers can be incredibly useful because they allow you to see all your seeds at a glance and keep them neatly separated. Choose a container that makes you happy and fits your needs. It could be a simple plastic box, a vintage tin, or even a repurposed drawer. The important thing is that it brings you joy and serves its purpose well. Once you've found the perfect container, it's time to categorize our little seed friends. This step is crucial because it helps you keep track of what you have and makes planting time much easier. How do you feel about grouping them by type? Vegetables, herbs, flowers? Imagine them all neatly arranged, whispering stories of the delicious meals and vibrant blooms to come. This method is great if you like to plan your garden by plant type, or perhaps organizing by planting season sparks more joy. This way, you can easily find the seeds you need when it's time to plant. Early spring, late summer, fall. Envisioning the garden's transformation throughout the year. This method is particularly useful if you like to plan your garden according to the seasons. It helps you stay organized and ensures that you don't miss the optimal planting times for each type of seed. Early spring, late summer, fall. Envisioning the garden's transformation throughout the year. Each season brings its own unique beauty and challenges, and having your seeds organized by season can help you stay on top of your gardening game. Remember, the key is to choose a method that feels intuitive and joyful for you. There's no right or wrong way to do this. The most important thing is that it works for you and makes your gardening experience more enjoyable. As you're organizing, take a moment to hold each seed packet in your hands. Does it spark joy? Does it inspire you to nurture life and watch it grow? If so, it deserves a special place in your newly organized seed collection. This process is not just about organization, it's about connecting with your seeds and the potential they hold. Each packet represents a future plant, a future meal, a future bloom. Take your time and enjoy the process. Does it inspire you to nurture life and watch it grow? If so, it deserves a special place in your newly organized seed collection. This is your chance to create a system that not only keeps your seeds safe, but also brings you joy every time you look at it. So go ahead, create a seed storage system that reflects your love for gardening and your unique style. Just like our favorite foods, seeds have a life cycle too. They start with so much potential, but over time, their vigor can wane. Understanding this life cycle is crucial for any gardener who wants to see their garden flourish. Let's ensure we're planting them at their prime to maximize our chances of gardening success. When seeds are fresh, they have the highest germination rates, leading to robust and healthy plants. This means more bountiful harvests and vibrant blooms. We can do this by giving each packet a little checkup. It's a simple yet effective habit that can make a world of difference in our gardening endeavors. Look for the expiration date. It's usually tucked away on the back or bottom of the packet. This date is a helpful guide, indicating the period during which the seeds are most likely to germinate successfully. Now, we have a choice to make. Do we plant them right away, or do we store them for a future season? This decision can be influenced by our gardening plans and the specific needs of our plants. We can either jot down the expiration date directly on the packet, or if you prefer a gentler touch, use a small sticky note. This way, we can easily keep track of which seeds need to be planted soon and which can wait. Imagine a rainbow of colors, each hue representing a different planting season. This visual organization can make our gardening tasks more enjoyable and efficient. And what about those seeds that have been with us for a while? The ones with faded memories of gardens past. These seeds may still hold potential, even if their prime has passed. Don't worry, we can still show them love. By giving them a little extra care, we might be able to coax them into sprouting once more. Before we bid them farewell, let's test their germination rate. This process involves placing a few seeds on a damp paper towel, covering them, and keeping them in a warm place. After a few days, we can check to see how many have sprouted. It's a simple process, like a little science experiment that brings us closer to the magic of nature. Watching those tiny seeds come to life can be incredibly rewarding, reminding us of the resilience and beauty of the natural world. So let's take a moment to track those expiration dates and give our seeds the best chance to thrive. Our seeds are organized and ready to grow, but let's take our tidying journey a step further. Imagine having a system that not only keeps your seeds in order, but also helps you plan your entire gardening season. This is where a gardening binder or app can be a game changer. Picture a dedicated space to record our gardening dreams, a place to jot down notes, track our progress, and celebrate our successes. Whether it's noting the first bloom of the season or tracking the growth of your favorite tomato plant, having a record can be incredibly rewarding. This is where a gardening binder or app comes in, becoming our trusted companion throughout the seasons. It's not just about organization. It's about creating a personal gardening history that you can look back on and learn from. If the feel of paper between your fingers sparks joy, then a binder is the perfect choice. There's something special about physically writing down your plans and ideas and flipping through pages filled with your own handwriting. Select one with a cover that speaks to your heart, a design that inspires you to get your hands dirty and connect with nature. The aesthetics of your binder can be a reflection of your gardening style and personality. Inside, create sections for different seed types or planting seasons. You can have a section for spring blooms, summer vegetables, and even a special section for your experimental plants. This way, everything has its place, and you can easily find what you need when you need it. For those who embrace technology, a gardening app can be a delightful way to stay organized on the go. These apps offer a range of features that can make your gardening experience more interactive and fun. Imagine effortlessly adding new seeds to your virtual collection, setting planting reminders, and even sharing your gardening adventures with a community of like-minded spirits. Many apps also offer tips and advice, helping you make the most of your gardening efforts. Some apps even have plant identification features and weather forecasts tailored for gardening, ensuring you're always prepared for what's ahead. Whether you prefer the tactile experience of a binder or the convenience of an app, both tools can significantly enhance your gardening journey. Ultimately, the choice between a binder and an app comes down to personal preference. What matters most is finding a system that works for you, one that makes your gardening experience more enjoyable and fulfilling. So go ahead, choose your tool, and watch your garden thrive like never before. For those of us with limited space, let's explore the magic of vertical storage. Imagine a hanging organizer, like a graceful cascade of pockets, each one showcasing a different variety of seeds. This not only saves precious space, but also transforms our seeds into a work of art, a vibrant tapestry of nature's bounty. Choose an organizer with clear pockets so you can easily admire your collection. As you hang it up, visualize it as a vertical garden, a testament to your love for nurturing life and creating beauty in every corner of your home. And remember, even if you have ample space, a hanging organizer can be a delightful way to add a touch of whimsy and visual interest to your gardening area. Now let's unleash our creativity and embrace the art of repurposing. Look around your home with fresh eyes. What items spark joy and could be given a new life as a seed organizer? Those mason jars, with their vintage charm, could become cozy homes for our herb seeds. Imagine a row of glass jars, each one filled with fragrant basil, rosemary, and thyme, their scents mingling in the air, a symphony for the senses. Or perhaps you have a recipe box that's been passed down through generations. its wooden frame whispering tales of family gatherings and cherished traditions. Let's fill it with the seeds of our favorite vegetables, honoring the past while planting the seeds for a bountiful future. As we've seen, organizing our seeds is not just about creating order. It's about cultivating joy, peace, and a deeper connection with nature. When our seeds are organized, we feel more inspired to garden, to nurture life, and to witness the magic of growth unfold. So, let's grab our gardening gloves, step into the sunshine, and get planting. Remember, every seed holds the promise of something beautiful, a testament to the incredible power of nature. And as you watch your garden flourish, remember that the joy of gardening extends far beyond the harvest. It's in the process, the connection, and the endless possibilities that each tiny seed represents. Happy gardening,